Hey there, today this is actually a really simple repair, but some people may need help with it. We're gonna repair a derailleur pulley. Actually, one of these pulleys is broken. I'll show you in a bit after we get it off. But to look at this, you might think, oh no, you need to take the chain off. It's actually not necessary. But I ordered the Shimano pulleys. This is going on an Ultegra rear derailleur. This box, I think it's about a 2007. And right now parts are kind of hard to come by due to just shortages for numerous reasons. But figured in this situation it was going to be easier and more cost effective to replace the pulleys. The rest of the derailleur seems to be in good, fine working order. I ordered those from Performance Bicycle on Friday. They came on Monday, which is really fast. Anyway, we're going to start by taking, all we're going to do is remove these we're going to remove the Allen bolt. It's a 3mm, I believe. Yes, 3mm. I'm just going to remove these. It looks like that one is conventional thread. I believe the other one will be too. Remove this one. At least breaking free. That one's loose. Make sure you keep the bolt. Then here we have the broken pulley. I normally would throw something like this away, but it's hard to just get parts these days. It's a good idea to keep your stuff. I recently talked to Box Shop and they told me they were having to install used parts because they can't get new parts. Okay, here's a broken pulley here, and it's important to remember when you get these that there's actually a difference in these two pulleys. This one here a little more solid looking, and it has a direction on it. It's important to match up the direction, drive direction evidently. But it goes in at the bottom. It's going to be the bottom pulley. The other one that's not really quite as refined looking, it's going to go on the upper location. This one just looks cleaner, more solid, but it goes on the bottom location. And we'll start with the upper pulley. Looks like from the factory these have a Loctite on them. I would recommend replacing the Loctite. At this point I'm not really concerned about it. This box is actually just going to be a trainer bike. Okay, so there's actually an upper pulley, a lower pulley. Just match what you have there. Now I'm just trying to make sure this one's lined up. Okay, it's important that you get it on the upper part of the chain because that's really what goes into the derailleur. All right, we're getting there. And then this is the lower one. I want to put Shimano seal bearing to the outside. There's an arrow there indicating which direction it spins. Get all that lined up. Okay, and before you tighten those up, if you want to take a wheel, just to verify, that you've got it fed correctly. Let's get your wheel. And of course, that's what it should look like. Everything's spinning good. I'll pop that off. And then tighten it up. Yeah, if you do put Loctite back on those, it's important to match the color, different ratings on that stuff. I don't plan on using any, but it's probably not a bad idea to. And get it all switched out here. Just give it a good wipe down. And we're done.